Okay, tonight I'm going to make chicken tortilla soup. You know, I think probably a lot of people have a recipe for this chicken tortilla soup, but mine's good. It's really quick and easy. This is a weeknight again, and I've got some twists that I think people might like. One of which is I use HOMINY. I love HOMINY, which is a corn product for those of you who don't know, and I use it in addition to the black beans, which is traditional. And this is something that you find in a Mexican soup called pozole, so it kind of reminds me of that a little bit. But this is one of the twists that I use. And I'll also use my Instant Pot to cook my chicken at the beginning. You know, full disclosure, I used to use a pressure cooker before I had an Instant Pot, but this is so easy. It cooks the chicken, and it also helps sort of fortify the broth. So let's get started.